Hi, I'm Chris Johnson, the Director of Sales and Marketing with Windsong Properties. Westbrook is our newest Cherokee County community. We've had a very strong response to early sales. People really enjoy the location and its proximity to both Woodstock and downtown Acworth. The floor plans offer a variety of sizes and price points that seem to work very well for our buyers.
We love our new home, and we were so excited to be able to move in. We love the floor plan. It's a big open floor plan, built-ins on either side of our fireplace, so we have lots of little tchotchkes to put out. We loved the kitchen and the way it's laid out as far as the granite sink and the backsplash and the tile. The bathroom is perfect for us. It's a big shower, the big open doors, our back porch. We can sit out there in the morning with coffee and watch the birds, and it's just private.
I like the walk-in shower with the bench. I love that. It's very comfortable for me. I like the way the floor plan is. You know, you have your living space, your living room. I like that concept.
I like the outside too, where I don't have to do nothing.
That's the best part.
This is my favorite one.
We were ready to get to just one level, and so we like that, but we particularly like the layout. A great kitchen, a great master bedroom, and a great master bath and closet. That will make a home right there, those elements, and this had all of that.
Westbrook is located in Acworth, just minutes from downtown historic Acworth, where there's great dining and shopping. We're very, very close to Lake Altoona for boating, as well as Patriots Park, and we're convenient to both I-75 and 575 from this location. At Windsong, we are not only building homes and communities, but we have a commitment to the lifestyle and building relationships in our communities. And at Westbrook, we have a community of 39 homes, which is a small enclave. Typical builders would not have a professionally designed clubhouse in their communities, but Windsong is committed to that lifestyle component. So here we have a lodge-inspired clubhouse with a custom fire pit, a grand gathering room, and an entertaining kitchen for the homeowners to come together. The Community Clubhouse is the heart of our community and the recipe for our success.
We are very social. I'm the social butterfly. Yes. But I love the ladies' coffees on Tuesdays, the ladies' luncheons once a month. We have, our neighborhood has first Friday month happy hour, so that's fun.
We've met some wonderful people, and a lot of times a lot of people walk in the neighborhood, and so that was one way that we would sit on our front porch and they would walk by and say, hey, you're new to the area, aren't you? And so we've met a lot of really, really nice people.
We have become very close to our neighbors on the left and on the right, both. But we also have made other friends down the street, through the subdivision, and everybody is, it's amazing because, again, they're in the same stage that we are in life.
This is one of the better decisions we've made in 53 years of marriage, was buying a Windsong property at this point in time in our lives.
Westbrook is priced attractively from the high 2s to the low 3s. We have had a great response and we're selling quickly.